Well,
perspectives.
well, based on the conversation we've been having on this channel, the most immediate one that comes to mind, and I don't know if you agree with that, is the ethical deployment of systems. This where leadership has to take role into that. There's the set of data that you talked about earlier to make AI better, but there is another set of data that we need to reflect from the human side
Yes.
that not necessarily comes natural. It is not evident. It's not there in a lot of cases. So we have to build it. And most AI deployment is about cost savings.
Hmm.
And let's be frank with each other. Most
Yeah.
most companies deploy AI for one reason, is to reduce the number of staff that they currently have and reduce the cost of a human. Human is expensive. In their opinion, AI is cheap, which I don't agree with. AI is still expensive to deploy if you're deploying it
Yes.
correctly.
Yes, it is.
The point that we're trying to, from a leadership perspective, is: are you deploying it ethically? Are you bringing people along? Are you repurposing the human to become involved as part of the solution versus to replace the human? Because we see in a lot of jobs disappear, but meanwhile we're seeing a lot of jobs growing and prospering, and there's more demand for them, right? But I don't know, like from your experience, it is not cut and dry to deploy technology, reduce the staff by 50%, but more deploy technology, maybe not reduce the staff by 50%, but allow the staff to do more and produce more and be more the authoritative element, if you will, in trying to garner or shape up the technology deployment and how we use these technologies. What's your
You know, I,
comments?
I think that I mean I'm just having flashbacks through different parts of my career. Ignore like technology, any type of change where you're trying to become more efficient, whether it's technology related or it's just process related, people naturally fear that you're doing it because you want to eliminate roles. And the reality, if your focus is not limiting roles, but making the experience better for the customer, right? Because that's why all businesses are here in the first place, then you can have a different level of partnering with your employees. It's about the customer. And our goal isn't necessarily to save money and cut costs, is to make the experience better for the customer. And if we're able to eliminate manual steps in an employee's process, then what else could you do with that time? How else could you add value to our customers? That's why I find those initiatives are the most beneficial and where people can rally around them when it's about the customer. It's not
Correct.
about the cost or the profits. It's about how do we make it better for our customer.